Hi, I'm Cassidy and I'm going to show you guys how to do just a simple Elsa braid. Her hair is super silky and soft, so we're going to start by putting a lot of volume and texture in there because Elsa's braid, it has a lot of volume and it's super loose. So we're going to start by sectioning her hair off, this front section, and we're going to use some of this powder play. This is just going to add volume to her roots to make it more textured. Just put a little bit and kind of rough it up. Take the next section, just sprinkle a little bit. I'm gonna do it on the sides as well. Her hair is just super soft and we want it to have texture.
If they don't have the powder play, is there something else they could use instead, or do you suggest getting that?
This works super well, but also like dry shampoo adds a lot of texture, or just any like hairspray or texturizing spray would work as well. And then I'm just gonna do that same thing on this side.
So you just want to put it on the roots?
Yes, just focusing on those roots so we get that volume.
You can see it's already working.
Don't you mean my hair looks like it's yellow?
Yeah, it does look yellow.
Okay, I'm just gonna take my comb and I'm just gonna add a little bit more volume by teasing it. So I'm just gonna comb it straight back and just do it in sections. So take this top section like right at her crown and just tease this a little bit.
Just use like a fine comb?
Yes, a comb would be best. And then go a little bit more forward. Tease that.
You bit got some in my face. Cassie.
You have hair in your face?
Yeah.
We'll get it.
That's okay.
I can just move it
Oh, okay.
with my arms.
Yep, anytime you want to move it, you feel free.
Yeah.
We'll get it.
And making sure these sides are teased as well. Okay, once we do that, I'm just gonna take your comb and just lightly go over the top layers so you can't see all the teasing. Just add a little bit more right here. Okay, I'm just gonna comb it all straight back. Okay, now I'm just gonna take this top section right over on this right side and just grab a little piece, and I'm just gonna do a light twist in it. We want it to be pretty loose because Elsa's hair is pretty high and voluminous in the front, so just kind of twist it and just hold it right there. And then grab another section and do that same thing. Just kind of add a little bit of a twist so they meet over on this side. And then do one more, so 3 on each side. And then I'm going to do that same thing to the other side. So pull this section. Twist it the opposite direction towards the other side. And keep it in that same spot.
Don't you wish you had 3 hands?
That would be nice.
I have to make a ring.
No.
That's
Sure, let's go together. And then one more section.
So you might hear some noise in the background. We are actually quarantined today, so we are in Cassidy's sister-in-law's home studio, and it's at her home. So there's going to be a little background noise, but we're definitely being safe.
Okay, so once you do that, you will put 2 bobby pins. So one going this direction, and then one going this direction.
It's beautiful, just how it is.
And then I'm just going to kind of pull these apart a little bit so you can't see the
So you made an
sectioning.
X with the bobby pin.
Yes. Just kind of pull these apart.
So pretty.
Okay, so now we are ready to do the braid. I'm going to make sure this is all combed through.
So we're just gonna do a normal French braid,
Normal
right? Just a
French
loose,
braid.
normal
Yes.
French braid.
Making it loose is the key. Elsa's braid is pretty loose. So I'm going to use this section right here as my middle section, and then take from right here on this side is my right section, and then this side is my left section. And then we want to cover these bobby pins, so we're going to start by putting this side over and then putting this side over, so we can do our best to cover those, and we can go back through and cover them after as well. But we're going to start like that. And then I'm going to grab a new section. Do it over and over.
And if the hair is pretty slippery, you can do it a little tighter and pull it out after,
Yes,
right?
yes, yeah.
Is that kind of what you're doing?
Yeah, and then yeah, we'll kind
it's
of
very silky.
pull it out like so that it
Okay.
looks a little bit bigger.
Very sleepy.
I know when people are touching your hair, it makes you sleepy, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna look just like Elsa.
Yeah, Queen Elsa.
Queen Elsa. Is she your favorite?
Yeah. I love the Play-Doh of her because I have a Play-Doh of her that I got for my birthday.
Oh.
Okay, and then we're just gonna put a hair tie.
And then I'm done.
Almost. We're gonna pull this apart, so especially to hide these. So we're gonna pull these sections and just pull them out a little bit, all of them. So we hide those bobby pins.
More hair in my face.
Look at it.
We're gonna pull these out. You just wanna make sure it's a pretty loose braid.
It's beautiful.
Make sure in the front it looks good.
What can they do if they get little bumps where they don't want them?
You can always put more bobby pins in. Just make sure to, when you put the bobby pin in, to pull it out a little bit so it doesn't get flat in that one section.
Okay.
But you can always put more bobby pins in.
And of course, you gotta have the little bangs in the front.
Yes, Elsa has little pieces. What do you think?
Pretty.
Pretty. Just like Elsa.
Yeah, Queen Elsa.
Queen Elsa.
Queen Elsa, there you go. It's my favorite princess, even Anna. And all my favorite Disney characters.
Have you ever been to Disneyland?
2 times.
2 times?
Mm-hmm.
Did you get to meet Anna and Elsa?
No.
No.
Well, only I met Pluto before.
Oh, I got to meet them. They're really nice.
When I'm all done for a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put my sleeves down a little bit. Keep them down for a little bit because my feet are a little bit cold. But they're super warm now.
There we go.